you're needed. Alright, here we go. Let's hope this works. Because this is a heavy ass bumper.
Things fade when we've thought about it so much.
Alright,
So we go first.
well, if you guys want to hold it, I can get under there, all the way on the ground and get the top two in.
Jeff is all the way up. Take that. Cappy? Nut,
Yep.
bolt.
Here's the bolt.
Here you go, sir. Just see if it'll go in the other 3 holes or 4 holes.
Awesome.
And roll her home.
Yes, sir.
All right, the bumper is on the Jeep Willys. We did leave a healthy gap between the bumper and the grill in case they actually hit something and the bumper bends, which is going to be a big hit, so it doesn't damage the rest of the truck. If you order one of these, this right here will not be cut out. You will have to cut that out to match the year and model of your vehicle and to match whatever gap you decide that you would like to have in your bumper. But that is how we have it set up. We're going to pull it off, show you the spacers that we have on the inside and the outside. And then this will be a receiver for a hitch. Now this area here is also left long when you get your bumper. This area will need to be trimmed by you to fit whatever size wheel you have. We've already taken off 1 inch for straight up and down. Took off 1 inch, actually 1.25 inches, and it looks like we're gonna have to take another, when this is turning, probably another 1 inch off so this outside of the tire doesn't hit your bumper. To make one of these bumpers fit your vehicle, you will need to add, this is a 1/4 inch steel by the length that you got it, and drill out at least 3 points. This is where the center receiver is going to be. Again, 4 more bolts. That's where we're going to weld on the receiver itself. That way it bottoms out onto this plate. And then again on the other side. Now, up in the bumper itself, you have the matching plate, have them slotted so you have up and down adjustments. Both sides. Receiver will go through here. Now, if our math is correct, we don't need up and down adjustments on the plate that's going to be bolting to the truck. Because everything was bolted in place exactly where we needed it. Put these through. Good to go. Long and short, if you buy one of these bumpers, you are going to have to make some alterations to it to fit your vehicle the way you want it to fit. If you want it to be farther away from the vehicle, on ours, from here to here is 1.75 inches. You just make that 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches. If you want it closer, instead of 1.75 inches, maybe 1 inch. So if you do 1 inch, you are going to have to put a second plate on this side for it to be able to get in to weld. You're going to be too close. All right, we are on the final fitting for the front bumper. Now, as you guys saw, we have built the bejeebers out of this. So this is your standard 2-inch receiver. This is what's usually on the outside to keep it from splitting. That is going to go on the whole thing. So it's going to be really extremely strong. The receiver will go into here, and that is exactly where the winch will hook. Everybody's giving me crap. These are for the fog lights. When you get your bumper, because of the different size tires, we've already taken 1 inch off of this from the standard bumper design. We're going to take an additional 1 inch off from here straight up. And you will have to do that to fit the size of tires you have chosen for your vehicle. The smaller tires, you might not have to cut them at all. These are pretty big tires with where we're at, and we've already moved it back 1 inch, like I said, so it's going to be a full 2 inches to have the clearance. All right. See back here how we have things attached. This thing, grade 8 bolts holding it on, a total of 10 of them, almost 500,000 pounds to tear that bad boy off in shear pressure. But that's looking kick ass, and it's ready to go down to paint after a little bit more fabrication. Awesome. Keep watching, a lot more to come.
What are you doing?
Wow. W-O-W. Wow. Is that what that means?
Mom.
First person to put down in the comments what it means gets a surprise. Visit for my wife anywhere in the United States saying, hello, I'm Kathy. Yeah. What I really did is made a Willys Overlander logo, the one that I wanted to make with the pointed W. Would not download and go into a vector file the way we wanted it to. So we went to this, and this is going to be bolted onto the back of the tailgate. There we go. Go ahead, make noise.
Not quite sure if I actually videoed this yet or not. Probably in the booth, but that's a damn good looking tailgate. I'm just saying. This thing's gonna be cool.
All right, rear bumper is going on. These are all just running lights all the way across the bottom. Blinker, and then brake lights will be here. And this will be also a fog light for backing up.
All 4 holes, one right up. Oh, that was the bottom measurement. Yeah.
Awesome.
Do this?
You're putting in more effort?
Hey, don't hit that front, okay?
Okay. This is awesome.
Okay.
So, my way, my way, my way, my way, down slow. Okay.
It's not in the hole, though.
Yep, I have to go forward a little bit.
There it goes. Uh-oh.
My fingers weren't there.
Well,
And
that's a little covered.
here's awesome news. Probably the best news.
Square?
I would say yes.
Cool, then stay
The
up.
cab, when we were doing this first time, the cab must not have been
Just stay
square.
up there then, if you like good news.
Oh, you're right. That makes no sense whatsoever then. It is what it is. Weld them shut.
I mean, it'd be done.
So like the nut would be in the middle. This is welded to that plate. You know, and then the bolt is supposed to be this.
Probably more like a metal saw. As long as up here, like panel the fender with the grill, that all makes sense.
All right, today is Monday, and I was gone on Friday, and the guys worked Friday, which they typically don't do. And I just got back, got a lot done. Very, very productive day. Wish I could show it to you. The rear bumper is fit. The sides, however, were too short, so we're gonna have to have them remade longer. And the odd thing is, this was too long, so we had to cut it to make it fit. Not a big deal. As you can see, the fenders are on. Side step is on. Pretty cool look. And they wanted to see what the hood looked like. So that is literally just setting there right now. But very, very good color blend. Being painted at a separate time. Goes together really, really nicely. Earlier in the week, we finished up the bumper on the front, so that's literally ready to go downstairs and be painted. That hood looks slick. And again, the paint, even though it's done at a different time, doesn't look out of place at all. Those fuel tanks and water tanks are going to look awesome next to that. Roll bars are set in there. Looks like they got done with the day and said, what the hell is this thing going to look like?
Yeah.
Put some stuff in. And again, the rear bumper. So if you decide to get one of these rear bumpers, this section here you will have to custom fit. And this side here you will have to custom fit. And we have them on a standoff of 4 inches. Bolted right on. And then, I don't know if you remember this during the production, this is welded right onto the frame, this brace here. So you can step right on this without ever having to worry about what you're doing. But those matte black wheels definitely fit the theme that we are at. And it is looking good. The wiring guru is back. And he's ready to rock and roll.
Yeah.
It is starting to look like a truck. Keep watching. Very, very much more to come. If you like what you see, hit the like button down below. Follow us on our YouTube channel, our Facebook, and our soon-to-be new Instagram. They shut us down for some reason. They thought we were a bot account, and we can't get it back open, so we have to start off new. So help us out with that. Go to our Instagram, follow us. Very much appreciated. Chris with Legendary Customs, thanking the team for what they have done each and every day on this thing. And again, looking like a truck. Keep watching. So much more to come. Till next episode.